transition only happening in the lower ranks? Why is it not happening at the top? Like you said, he has been around for 40 years.
What do you mean by the top?
Well, you still have the same party chairman, the same president.
You get off the Jim Wezi as sake. Isn't that top? Or you're saying the topest?
Topest.
Even the topest will go.
Let me give Honorable some information.
Let him conclude that I can.
No, I want to give him the information.
Okay, the information.
Especially the media and for you, Lukwago, and your team and the listeners out there who keep on talking about that transition at the topest. Considering the history of our country, you don't just want to change that topest leader because we can't go back into anarchy. But to assure you, like he's saying, today if you look at the police leadership, there is no DPC above the age of 50. So no, just a minute. Let me build my point. All right. You go to the military leadership. Today, there is nobody in command and control above the age of 50. They are all young people.
Agree.
You go into civil service, the majority of the people from PS, under secretary, all the people are below the age of 50. The transition gradually started almost 10 years ago. And within the next few years, it will culminate into a very comfortable change. Remember, we are a government that evolved out of a bush war, that had people that went to the bush.
Sanjay, Tanna, what would you tell somebody who tells you that a transition is inevitable? Whether you
it is, and that is my conclusion in my submission. That the transition is inevitable, and it started. And most organs of the government, whether civil service, whether parliament, today look at the caliber of parliamentarians. They are below the age of 50. Look at the judiciary. Most of the judges that are being appointed are below the age of 50.
All right.
Now, if you look at the three arms of government, the transition, and like he has said, even in the NRM party leadership, like I earlier submitted, is that the old guards are leaving and the young guards are coming in.
All right.
What I wanted to say, that the transition is there.
Yes.
The topest that you are saying is managing the transition.
Yes.
Okay? So after managing the transition, is going to say, just like God, when he created the world, I don't know, maybe let me not look at it that way. But you know, when you are doing something, you do, and after some time you say, now I finish my part. After finishing my part, let me go and retire. Okay? There comes the time when somebody is going to retire. And I'm telling you that the transition is on from
and has
down,
been going on. From
down to the top, even to the topest that you are saying. Actually, I can also tell you...
Bottom-up approach.
Yes. I can also tell you, actually, it is not even that. It is strategic. Because you're looking at the bottom at times, and then you're looking at up, you're looking in the middle. It is somehow, is integrated.
Why are some people saying actually it's an elimination strategy, eliminating people that you think will not cause trouble to somebody they actually want to take over the leadership?
Look at it as half empty, half full. It means the same thing. I can say this bottle is half empty. I can say it's half full. Because, you know, when you see you are eliminated, then you're eliminated. Then what about that person who has been brought in? He says that he has been placed.
The process of elimination matters.
What I'm trying to say,
is it democratic? Because this is a political party.
What I'm trying to tell you, that when they eliminate you, they place somebody. So it just becomes semantics. So it is just how you feel it. If you feel that you are being eliminated, then you are feeling that you're being eliminated. All now, right. For example, I want to say this. In NRM today, we have the president is unopposed as the chairman and flag bearer. The vice chairperson, first vice chairperson is unopposed. The second national, they are going through an election. Veterans League they are going through an election. Vice chairperson Eastern.
All the other leagues are going through an election.
Vice chairperson Eastern has stepped down. Entrepreneur League, actually, the incumbent, he's not anywhere in the picture.
No, he also stepped down.
He also stepped down. So when you're looking at the transition is at the top and at the down and below.
All right. All right. Now let's